Before actually getting into the lecture, let me explain you the basics of a and the. Now this slide explains you when to use n and when to use a. Now you have to use n before the word with a vowel sound. Remember, n means vowel sound. Just blindly remember this. N means vowel sound. For example, an idiot. Idiot, it begins with a e sound. E sound is a vowel sound. An orphan, o sound is a vowel sound. An elephant, is a vowel sound. An honest man, is a vowel sound. An is a vowel sound. An egg, is a vowel sound. And you have to use a before the word with a consonant sound. Just remember, a means consonant sound. What are consonant? Any letter except the vowel a, e, I, o, u is a consonant. For example, a university, university, u is a, gives a y sound, y sound. A dog, it gives a d sound. A book, it gives a b sound. A cat, it gives a k sound. A phone, it gives a f sound. So remember, n means vowel sound, a means consonant sound. Now when do we use the? Now the is basically used for referring to a specific or a particular object or a person. A specific or a particular. Remember, specific or a particular object or a person. Let's go through this text. We live in a small house next to the church. Why the church? Because it's referring to the church in their village. It's a specific church. Dad, can I borrow the car? Why the car? Because it's referring to the car that belongs to the family. It's a specific car. When we stayed at my grandmother's house, we went to the beach every day. The beach. Why the beach? Because it's referring to the beach near the grandmother's house. It's a specific beach. And look at the boy over there. Why the boy? Because it's referring to the boy being pointed at. So this is the basics of the. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it was a knowledgeable session for you. To know more, keep watching. Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you're good, and I'm also fine here. I welcome you to my channel English Planet, wherein I make videos about English grammar, English proverbs, English idioms, and English pronunciation. In today's video, I'm going to talk about articles and its types. But before proceeding further, I would like to give a brief introduction about my own self. I'm your friend Sunil. I'm a production engineer. Also, I've done MBA from the University of Mumbai, India. So that's about it. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight into the video. In today's lecture, I'm going to cover what is an article, types of articles, when to use a, when to use n, when to use the, when not to use the articles, and lastly the exercise. Now, what do you mean by articles? So articles are basically adjectives because they modify the nouns after them. So they are nothing but adjectives. Now there are two kinds of articles, definite article and indefinite article. A definite article is the and indefinite article is a and n. So why is the called as definite and why are a and n called as indefinite? Let's see. Now have a look. Let's have a closer look at the definite article the. Now the here indicates something particular or specific and definite. Something particular and specific. For example, give me the ball. Here the ball. The ball means it's a specific ball, a particular ball. Here the speaker and the listener both are aware of which ball is being talked about. So it's a specific ball. So that's what is meant by the. Indefinite article a or n, they indicate something non-particular, non-specific, general and indefinite. For example, give me a ball. A ball means any random ball. It could be any random ball. It's not particular, it's not specific. Here the speaker and the listeners both do not know which ball is being talked about. It's any random ball. Second example, give me an egg. It could be any egg. It is not particular, it is not specific. The possibility, all the possibilities are open. It is any random egg. So that is basically the difference between the and a and n. When to use n? Point number one, you have to use n before a word beginning with a vowel. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So we have to use n before a word beginning with a vowel but producing a vowel sound. For example, elephant. this word begins with E. So it produces a vowel sound. A, elephant, A. So because it produces a vowel sound, you have to use N. So an elephant. I. It begins with a vowel E and it produces the A, the vowel sound A. So it becomes Ni. Third one, an egg. It begins with a vowel E and it produces the A vowel sound, an egg. And lastly, aeroplane. It begins with a vowel A and it produces the A, aeroplane, A sound. So it becomes an aeroplane. Second point, you can also use N before a word beginning with a consonant but producing a vowel sound. For example, you don't say, let us look at this word H-O-U-R. It is not pronounced as hour. It is pronounced as hour. It produces a vowel sound, vowel sound. So that's why it is becomes N-R. Second one is honest, H-O-N-E-S-T. It begins with a consonant. What are consonants? Any letters apart from the vowels A, E, I, O, U are consonants. So this begins with this word begins with a consonant H, but it is not pronounced as honest. It is pronounced as honest. So it produces a vowel sound. Oh, it produces a vowel sound. So that's why it becomes an honest man. So in the following cases, we have to use N. When do we use A? Point number one, we have to use A before a word beginning with a consonant and producing a consonant sound. For example, dog. Dog begins with a consonant D and it produces a consonant sound. D. So a dog, a chair, a phone. These are all beginning with consonants. Second point, we have to use A before a word beginning with a vowel but producing a consonant sound. So in this case, unit. Unit is a word beginning with a vowel, but it is producing a consonant sound. Year. It produces a year sound. Year, you, year. Y. It produces a Y sound. So that's why it becomes a unit. University. Year. It produces a year sound. That is a Y sound. So it becomes a university. To use the, we have to use the in the following 11 cases. Let's examine each case one by one. First one, you have to use the in case of a singular common noun, that is in case of animals or things except man and woman. Now here the example is, the dog is a man's best friend. Dog is a common noun and it is singular, so you have to use the. If I replace dog with dogs, dogs are man's best friend, so I cannot write the dogs are man's best friend. I have to write dogs are man's best friend. I cannot use any article there. Okay, so it should be, make sure it is common and it is singular common, so you have to use the. And you cannot use the in case of men and women. You cannot write the man is the smartest of all the creatures. Second example, you have to use the with superlatives. What are superlatives? Superlative, there are three degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. Superlatives are the words ending in st. So example would be, this is the best biryani that I ever tasted. So the best is a superlative. So you have to use the before it. The best biryani that I ever tasted. Third one, with classical books. For example, what are the classical books like the Gita, the Quran, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana? So you have to use the with the classical books at the beginning. Fourth one, with the names of newspapers or periodicals. For example, the Times of India or the Reader's Digest or the Business Today, anything. Fifth one, you have to use the before the names of rivers, canals, oceans, seas, gulfs, mountains, peaks, hills, glaciers, bays and islands. For example, the Ganga. Ganga is the name of a river, so the Ganga. Himalayas is the name of a mountain, so the Himalayas. Point number 6, you have to use the before geographical imaginary lines. The geographical imaginary lines, if you know geography, are the Tropic of Cancer or the equator. Point number 7, you have to use the before a proper noun only when it is qualified by an adjective. What is the meaning of this? There should be a proper noun. Now Amitabh Bachchan is a proper noun and there should be an adjective before it. So great is a adjective. So proper adjective plus proper noun. So you have to use the great Amitabh Bachchan. You cannot say great Amitabh Bachchan. You have to say the great Amitabh Bachchan. Point number 8, you have to use the in case when emphasis is given to the noun. Rahul is the man of the match. Man is the noun. It is a common noun. So Rahul is the man of the match. You cannot say Rahul is man of the match. You have to say Rahul is the man of the match because emphasis is given to the noun, the man. With ordinals. What are ordinals? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are ordinals. So example would be the first chapter of this book is very interesting. The first. So this is an ordinal. So you cannot say first chapter of this book is very interesting. You have to say the first chapter of this book is very interesting. Or you can say the last chapter of this book is very interesting. 10th point. You have to use the with the names of the musical instrument like the guitar, the piano, the trumpet, the mouth organ, and so on. And lastly, you have to use the before nouns that are unique. For example, the sun, the moon, the stars, the universe, the galaxy, and so on. Let's move further. Now let's examine the cases when you are not supposed to use any article. So when not to use the articles. We shall examine the following cases one by one. Point number one, whenever you talk about things in general, for example, I like birds. You cannot say I like the birds or I like a birds or I like n birds. You have to simply say I like birds. Point number two, when talking about plural countable nouns, what are countable nouns? Nouns that can be counted. For example, dogs, uh, book, phone, TV, anything which can be counted. For example, dogs make great pets. Dogs are countable and they are plural. So dogs make great pets. You cannot say the dogs make great pets. You have to say dogs make great pets. Third one, when talking about non-countable nouns, what are non-countable nouns like petrol, diesel, oil, sugar? These are all non-countable nouns. Music is also a non-countable noun. You cannot count music. For example, I love music. You cannot say I love the music or I love a or an music. Fourth point, when talking about specific days or holidays, geography, companies, languages. For example, I have bought candles for Diwali. You cannot say I have bought candles for the Diwali or an Diwali or a Diwali. When you talk about companies, different companies, companies are proper nouns. For example, Steve Jobs founded Apple. You cannot say Steve Jobs founded the Apple or a Apple or an Apple. You simply have to say Steve Jobs founded Apple. Second example, I use Facebook every day. You cannot say I use the Facebook every day or a Facebook every day or an Facebook every day because you're talking about companies. When you talk about languages, for example, I speak Hindi. You cannot say I speak a Hindi, an Hindi or the Hindi. You simply have to say I speak Hindi, I speak English, I speak Urdu, so on. When you talk about sports and physical activities, for example, I love to play cricket. You cannot say I love to play the cricket because cricket is a sport. You are talking about sports. You simply have to use the word cricket without any article. I love to play cricket. She enjoys dancing. So there wouldn't be any article in this also because it's a physical activity. It's a sport. Number 8. When there is a noun plus number. She is staying at the Hilton Rural in room number 127. Room is a noun and plus number. So you can't use the article in such cases. The train to Montreal leaves from platform number 9. Platform is a noun, 9 is a number. Room, noun plus number. So you cannot use the article in this case also. Articles are not used before countries, states, cities, towns, continents, single lakes, single mountains, and so on. For example, I live in Canada. You cannot say I live in the Canada. You simply have to say I live in Canada. But there are some exceptions to this rule. For countries like for the following countries, you have to use the United Arab Emirates, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, the Russian Federation, the People's Republic of China, the Netherlands, the Philippines, the Maldives. So you have to use the in case of these countries. However, in general, you can't use the before the country name, but in case of this countries, you have to use the. When you talk about places, locations or streets, for example, my house is located on Callow Hill Drive. You cannot include any article before Callow Hill Drive. Why? Because it's the name of a place, it's the name of a location, it's a street. Second example, I left my pen at home. There won't be any articles in this also because it indicates a place or a location. I left home is a location, so you cannot write I left my pen at the home or at a home at an home. When talking about academic subjects, for example, I hate attending mathematics classes. You cannot include any article here before mathematics because you are talking about academic subjects. I hate attending mathematics classes, or I love attending physics classes, and so on. So these were about the 11 cases for which you don't have to use any articles. And lastly, the exercise. You have to fill in the blanks. You have to use uh, you have to fill in the blanks with the suitable articles. First one, look at dash C. Who is dash lady in the dash picture? I visited dash South Africa last summer. The book is about dash man who lives on dash small island. You can mention the answers in the comment box below. And that's it from me, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it was a knowledgeable session for you. Until next time, bye bye.